What if I told you this isn't the real me talking right now? That's right. This entire video could be an AI avatar, and you wouldn't even know the difference. Do you think this AI avatar is me? These AI avatars are so realistic, they're being used by many people. And today, I'm walking you through the exact step-by-step process to create your own. Let's dive in. So first things first, let's create the base image. For image generation, I personally like to use Crea. And the reason I use Crea so often is simple. It gives you access to multiple models in one place. You can choose anything from Nano Banana Pro to Seedream 4 to several other advanced image models. For this demo, I'm going to use Seedream 4. Here are my settings. Aspect ratio, 16:9. Resolution, 1K. I don't need 4K at this stage. 1K is more than enough. Now for the prompt. I'm generating a 3D Pixar-style image of a 20-year-old girl wearing a red dress with white flowers. This image will act as our base image. And this part is important. Instead of creating an environment first, I always create a clean base character. Once you have that, you can place the character into any environment later. All right, let's generate. Nice. This looks really good. I like this character. So I'll go ahead and download this image. Now that we have our base image, let's move her into a scene. I'm staying in Crea, keeping the same resolution and aspect ratio, and I'll upload the base image we just created. Here's the prompt I'm using. I want the girl to be sitting at a podcast desk, facing the camera. She should have a professional podcast microphone in front of her, a small diary, and a coffee mug beside her. The background should feel cozy and aesthetic with soft daylight coming in. Let's generate. Okay, this looks good. But I'm noticing the lighting feels a bit too warm, almost like night lighting. That's because of amber tones. So I'm going to tweak the prompt slightly and specify soft daylight only. No amber lighting. Let's try again. Perfect. Now she's clearly facing the camera, the lighting feels natural, and this is exactly what we want. I'll download this image as well. Now comes the fun part. Video. Inside Crea, you'll notice there are multiple video models available. You'll see options like VO3, Gemini. For this demo, I like using Seedance Pro because it consistently gives smooth movement and natural results. Here's what I want to create. A 10-second video where the girl smiles and speaks to the camera, picks up her coffee mug and takes a sip, stands up and walks toward the window, continues looking at the camera like an influencer talking to their audience, and the camera smoothly follows her movement. At this stage, I'm not adding dialogue yet. She'll only have natural lip movement. Let's generate. All right, this is pretty solid. The movement looks natural, the walk and talk works well. All right, now that we have our video ready, let's move into creating the dialogue. For voice generation, I use 11 Labs. Inside 11 Labs, you'll see a few options: text-to-speech voice changer and other advanced voice tools. Personally, I mostly use text-to-speech. I haven't cloned my own voice yet. Instead, I use some of the pre-built voices, which are already very professional and sound extremely natural. For this demo, I'm going to use the voice Alice. I really like how Alice speaks. Now let me show you the dialogue I'm using. It's a simple one. Hi guys, welcome back to my studio. I just brewed my favorite blend. So let's answer your question while I enjoy this by the window. One important thing I want to point out here. When you're using text-to-speech in 11 Labs, especially for longer dialogues or paragraphs, always remember to add breaks. Breaks are essentially short pauses. They give the voice room to breathe and help emphasize the next line. So once I'm happy with it, I'll go ahead and download the audio file. Now you might be wondering, how do we stitch this dialogue with the video we created earlier? For that, I use a tool called Dreamface. Dreamface makes it very easy to create lip-synced avatar videos. Here's what I do. First, I upload the video we generated earlier. This is the walk and talk clip of the avatar. Once the video is uploaded, I then upload the audio file we just generated from 11 Labs. All I have to do now is click Generate. While this is generating, here's one important thing to know. What I'm showing you right now is just one short clip. If you're creating a longer video, you can generate multiple scenes like this, and then stitch everything together using CapCut. Here is the video it generated.
Welcome back to the studio. I just brewed my favorite blend, so let's answer some of your questions while I enjoy this by the window.
Looks pretty decent. And that is how easy it is to create a hyper-realistic talking AI avatar in 2026. With just a single photo, a short voice sample, and editing, you can build an entire digital presenter that works for you 24/7. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and share this with someone who's been wanting to create their own digital twin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.